children, welcome back to English class. In last class and in last video we have discussed about a part of the lesson Raja's useful collection. Here once again I stress it, useful collection, not useless collection, right? We get so many and we find so many objects while we are walking on the road, but from there we have to pick the useful things. What we have to pick, Nana? Useful things, right? Here we have some characters like narrator, Miss Maya, Raja, Leena, Mary and Ali. These are the characters in the story. And Raja has collected some items. What are they? A rubber band, a safety pin, a matchbox, a piece of red brick and a green string. A green string. Okay? These are the things Raja has collected throughout the lesson, particularly in this instance. Okay? So, what he used them and how he utilized them, how he became useful to others or for his friends or teachers, that's we are discussing in this lesson. Okay? In first part, we have discussed a part and then extension or continuation of the story. Let us see from the lesson. In this, what we discussed in the previous video, do you remember? Can you answer some of my questions? What is the main role in the story? The person Raja. Who is the person? Raja. And who is the teacher? What is the name of the teacher? Miss Maya. What is the name of the teacher? Miss Maya. And these are his friends. Who are they? Leena, Mary and Ali. Not that we have discussed about them, only about Leena we have discussed. About Mary and Ali we have to see here. While entering into the story of Mary, here he used a stone, a pebble. To let it know you, I made at the end, pebble. Okay? How he utilized a pebble? Already I showed you pictures also in the previous lesson now. So once again you go to that lesson and watch it. Okay, Nana? So pebble. In these characters, let us read next part of the lessons. Okay? Look at your textbooks, all of you, Nana. From the page number 133. From the middle of the page, narrator is there now. From there onwards I am reading. Okay? Middle of the page, narrator. Miss Maya pinned Leena's skirt strap to the skirt with Raja's shiny safety pin. Then Mary felt a bit sick. She said she felt too hot and had a headache. Look here, children. Here when Leena's skirt became loose, what Madam did and what Miss Maya did, she set right it with the safety pin. Right? Next, here another character is introduced. She is Mary. Who is the character? Mary. Spelling M-A-R-Y. Mary. Okay? M-A-R-R-Y is Mary. M-A-R-Y is Mary. Learn the spelling. Right. Here, Mary, she got some headache. What she got? Headache. A-C-H-E. Ache means pain. Ache means pain. Headache. She got some headache and she is unable to sit. Then immediately the students of the class informed the teacher, Miss Maya. Then she came and she is comforting the girl. How she is comforting, you know? Let's see what she is doing. Miss Maya, sit down, Mary, and rest your head on the table. You will feel better soon. What is she saying? She let the girl to sit and laid her head on the upright and to set it on the table to rest for some time. Then she can feel somewhat better. Okay. Then what happened? Raja is saying now, you can put my nice smooth pebble next to your head if you like. He is offering a help. Who is offering a help? Raja is offering a help. What is he offering? A pebble. He got a smooth stone, no pebble. Okay, I'll show you pictures here, Nana. He got a smooth pebble stone, no? So by using that pebble, what he is saying? You just keep this stone next to your head. Then you can comfort yourselves because the stone is very cold. How is the stone? It is feeling like cold. So if you keep some cold object on your head, how he feels? You feel comfort or not? Yes. See, generally when we get fever, what our mother does? What mother does? She she keeps a wet cloth on the head. Then after some time, our temperature of the body will be cool, right? So like that here, as she is getting headache, he is offering a help with a piece of pebble. So with that pebble, she is comforting. Then Miss Maya, what Miss Maya says generally? Just the thing. What is that? Just the thing. I told you to remember this sentence. No, just the thing means for what purpose she is searching. That is the thing required. Okay, the needed thing is just the thing. Then immediately she offered that. Next, narrator is describing again. Mary thought that was a good idea too. She held the cool flat pebble next to her hot forehead. It cheered her up a lot. During playtime, Alice's tooth came out. Okay, so as Madam said to hold that pebble on the head, flat pebble, she hold it. Then she felt somewhat comfortable. Next, what happened? Coming to the next character, Ali. What happened to Ali? Ali's tooth came out. What came out? Tooth. Ali's tooth came out. So see, you are having milk teeth, right? At the age of 8 or 9 or even from 6 years onwards, the teeth used to fall. Yes or no? So the milk teeth has to be replaced by the new teeth, permanent teeth, right? In science you are learning now. So as these kids are having milk teeth, Ali's milk tooth came out. Milk tooth came out. Then what happened? Miss Maya is saying, he showed to Maya, madam, he showed to the teacher, Maya. What she is saying? Take it to home to show your mother. Take it to home to show your mother. Generally, when we got tooth out, what we do? We show it to our parents, right? So here madam also saying that keep it safe and show it to your mother. Then Ali, I might lose it. Ali is saying, I might lose it. If I drop somewhere else, I will lose it, no ma'am. How can I keep it safely? He is asking or he is questioning himself. Then Raja is saying, what else Raja is having? Pebble work is completed, green string is completed, safety pin is completed. Okay, still 3 more things are there, right? In this, which is useful to keep safe the tooth? Can you guess? Yes, it's a matchbox. It's a matchbox. So, in this matchbox, you can put it in my matchbox if you like. He's offering another help. He's offering another help. See, Raja is very helpful, right? You also must be helpful like that. Here, then Raja having a matchbox, so he is offering to Mr. Ali, Master Ali, not Mr. because they are kids, Master Ali, and he is offering to him, you can keep your tooth in this matchbox. Then Miss Maya is saying, what Miss Maya says again? Just the thing. What she says again? Just the thing. Again, he is requiring, she is saying like that. Then narrator describing next scene. Ali put his little white baby tooth into Raja's clean matchbox. Afterwards, they went into the playground. Miss Maya showed them how to play hopscotch on the pavement. Now here, they are all going to the playground. What do we do in playground? Do we sleep? No, we play. We rock the ground, right? So they are about to play hopscotch. Do you know, children, hopscotch? Do you know or not hopscotch? Yeah. Tokkudu bella aadtam kada? In streets we play very well. That is hopscotch. Next onwards we should not say that tokkudu bella. What you have to say? Hopscotch. Okay, Nana? How to play? Do you know how to play? We have to draw some square boxes. Like this only. Like this. As I know, this is a one kind of hopscotch. Many I know we used to play in my childhood. This kind of hopscotch. This means 8 boxes will come. And one more hopscotch also there. This is only single box. Continuously you have to hop up to here. So what is hopscotch? Let me explain have to jump here. Then again we have to return. After coming back to here, we have to pick the. This is not zero. It's a stone. Okay, Nana. After coming to this, you have to pick the stone and you have to jump out. Okay. Then you can score 1 mark like that. So like that you used to play. This one also you have to play like that. And this one, I told you know, enter the box, you have to hop. After reaching here, you have to pick the stone. Again, you have to hop continuously. Okay. So all these you have to do. So many kinds of hopscotches are there. But here, just one we will discuss. Okay, Nana? So now, what madam is saying, see. This is called a pavement. Pavement means the ground which made ready for the play. Okay? Pavement. Pavement. Okay? Pavement. Not payment. Pavement. Right. Next one. Miss Maya is saying. First, you have to write numbers on the pavement in the squares. Bother, I have not brought any chalk outside with me. Could you go inside and get me a piece, Raja? See, madam, everyone came to the ground now. So they require a piece of chalk because they have to try. As I am having a chalk, I do immediately on the board. So on the ground, on the pavement, they have to draw now. So there is everything is ready, but she forgot to get the piece of chalk. Then what is she is requesting? She is asking Raja to go and get the piece of chalk. Okay, children? So then what Raja is saying? Can you give? Do you have any guesses? What he would say? He will say maybe red brick, right? Yes. What he says? Let us see in this lesson. Raja, you can use my bit of red brick if you like. You can use a bit of a red brick if you like. Madam, you can use You can use my red brick, he is saying. Again, what madam will say? Just the thing. Yes, you are all in touch with the lesson. Very good. Just the thing. I will write the numbers in red. As I am having here chalk piece, I can write it. White chalk piece as white. So there is available here red brick. So she can use red numbers. She can write as the red numbers. Okay. Then what happened? Director is describing. So I thought that is not described here. Maybe I thought. So she made everything ready for the hopscotch. Then the children played well in the ground. They may enjoyed a lot, right? Next scene, narrator is describing. I wonder if you know what Raja had left in his pocket now. Everyone came indoors after that. Today was Raja's turn for painting. When it was finished, Miss Maya held it up for everyone to see. Raja showed them his picture of Batman and Robin in the Batmobile. Everyone thought it was a great picture. Miss Maya rolled it up carefully and gave it to Raja to carry home. Raja took the strong, thick rubber band out of his pocket. Miss Maya helped him to put it round his lovely picture. Okay, everyone played well. After that, they came back to class. Now, what they are having, ma'am? Everyone came indoors, no? So, now they have painting. They have to show their paintings. Now the turn for Raja. Raja have to show his painting. What painting he did, you know? Paintings, do you know? Painting. Do you paint? Do you draw pictures? Yes. Painting means with colors. We have to color the picture. Then it looks like a real painting. Okay. So when they came here Raja showed them his picture of Batman. His picture of Batman and Robin. Okay, Batman and Robin in the Batmobile. He had shown Batman and Robin pictures. Then everyone liked the picture. When he opened that and showed, everyone liked that picture, so that everyone clapped. Everyone was very happy by seeing the Raja's pictures. Then after the picture exhibition, what do we have to do? We have to fold it back. Okay, after folding, can we use them tightly? Can we hold them like that? No, we have to put a rubber band. So here, what is left in his pocket? All these things are over. What is left in his pocket finally? Rubber band. rubber band. Okay. Then immediately he put it. He kept out. He held out the rubber band. Then he tied around the chart. Madam Miss Maya helped him to keep the rubber band around the chart. Then Raja and Miss Maya together laughing. They both are laughing and saying, just the thing. What is that?
Yes.
Just the thing. Because all the things, whatever he had in his pockets, they came into useful. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, do you collect like that useful things? Or waste unnecessary things which would bring you scoldings? Will you do like that? No. You have to collect the useful things. Okay? Habituate the collection of useful things. And understand this lesson. Once again, watch the 2 videos. Then you can understand the lesson well. And following notes also you have to write neatly in your CW. Okay, Nana? Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, madam.